up, guys? So basically my other intro got corrupted, so I'm remaking this after the video. So yeah, winter hit finally here in Colorado. It's kind of melting. A lot of the snow stays up in the mountains. Mountains are this way. But yeah, we finally got some snow. It's getting a little bit chillier out here, but the other day my STI went into like limp mode on the way back from work after a really cold day, and it popped a code up on my access port and gave me a check engine light. I will pop the picture of what the code was up like right here. And then after I got home, I looked up at the code and looked up what the problems should be, and it was P0502, which is a speed sensor code. And most of the times the problems are going to be the sensor, which I bought. So I bought the sensor. This is the box from it. It's already installed, but this is after the fact of the video. I bought this from Subaru. It runs about $80 to $90. Part number is 85082AE000, and it's just a little sensor that fits in this box, and it plugs right into the top of the transmission on my STI. I believe it's the same for 06 to 07 STIs and WRXs, as long as you got this manual. I think the speed sensor is different in automatics. So in this video I will show you guys how I went about installing it, and we'll see if it works. Alright guys, so the speed sensor on the manual Imprezas, since mine's a STI, it's going to be back here. You can see where this wire is right here. So the sensor is right underneath it. Right there, I'll have an arrow pointing to it. So that's the sensor that needs to be replaced. So there's this wiring harness that runs to it. It has just a generic clip that plugs into it, so we're gonna have to undo that. And then I believe it's a 7mm that I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get down there, but that's what it takes to get that sensor out. So go grab my tools and we'll see what we can do for the sensor. Alright boys, so we got the part out. Here's the sensor. That's probably why it was not working, is because it was broken into many pieces. After a while these plastic things get all brittle and stuff like that. This was a 7mm, so you had to, if you have top mount intercooler like some Subaru guys do, I don't, you got to take the top mount out and then you have to go down there with a 7mm. I'm gonna see if I can show you better. So that's where the sensor is, obviously that hole right there where you can see gap. You go down there and you just turn it, you know, be gentle. It's plastic, so it'll break. Take that out and take a good old new part, and I'll be putting that in a second. Alright guys, so this is what the speed sensor looks like. Just a little sensor that plugs into your transmission. So this tooth right here has to line up in the spot. See if I can get a shot of it. You can kind of see that it has a slot right there. So that tooth that is on the sensor has to go into that slot. You screw it in about hand tight, maybe another crank after hand tight, and you plug the sensor back in, and we shall see if that fixes the issue. Alright guys, so you got the sensor back in, hand tight, and about one crank after hand tight. So got that back in, got the turbo shield back on, and then we plugged in the wire that we took out, and that should be it for the install of this. And once again, there's the other one. So everything just broke apart as soon as we took it out. So yeah, take you guys on a ride with me to make sure it fixes itself. So let me warm up my car and then we'll hit the road. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is reset the ECU. Car's warmed up a little bit. I gotta turn it off. Let it sit for 15 seconds, so I will be right back. Alright guys, gonna take it down the street. I don't know if you can see that, but the speedo's working. That's a good thing. I think I gotta take it to the gas station. Grab a little bit of gas. Actually, this girl eats E85, so throw some corn fuel in her. Speedo's working. I'm up to 45 right now, and yeah, everything's working on the car so far. So cool. I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Alright boys, so everything works, got a nice full tank of gas. So that's how you're going to replace the speed sensor in a 2006 Subaru STI. I do believe it goes with the majority of manual STIs. They're all about the same. I'll post in the description what years it goes with. Definitely know it's 06 to 07, the manual transmissions. The automatic transmissions, I believe they're different. But yeah, it's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, one more thing, since it's starting to become winter here, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult doing videos on the car. So I also like skiing. I don't know if you guys knew that, which I doubt you did. I love skiing, and here in Colorado, man, they're the most beautiful mountains to ski on. So I'm thinking about doing some skiing videos for you guys in the future. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, and I'll be popping out some of those videos. Peace out, guys.